In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how to work with Google Sheets. So today I'm going to show you how to open a new Excel file, and then we're going to cover some basics. So to open a Google Sheets, we need to go to Google application, which is under this dotted menu, where we have this icon, green with table. It's going to prompt you to Excel Sheets, Google Sheets, and then you're able to generate a new file by clicking on blank. So the other way to open a new Google Sheets would be going to your Google Drive. If you guys do it through Google Drive, it's going to be easier to organize it because you are able to locate your file any place you want. So let's say you want to add a Google Sheets, you will click on New and click on Google Sheets, and it's gonna instantly open you a new Google Sheets.